students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn English. Okay, now let us move to the lesson. Of Standard 5th, the second topic, that is daydreams. Students, this is a moral story. Okay, now before that we will see that what is the difference between the dream and a daydream. A dream is something that one has at night when one is asleep. Okay, and a daydream comes to one's mind during the day when one is wide awake. You can see in this picture a boy is sitting on the study table, but he is daydreaming about the fishing, sunbathing and playing cricket. I think you got the concept clear about the daydreams. Dreams during the daytime is called as daydreaming. Okay? Now students, this is a story of a couple. Once there lived a couple who spent a lot of time in idle talk. One day the husband said that if he gets extra money, he will buy some cows. Then the wife said, we have to feed the cows, walk them, bathe them, milk them. Cows need a lot of looking after. So one cow would be enough. There is no need to buy more cows, she said. But the husband said, think of all the milk we will get if we buy more cows. Then they started daydreaming about buckets full of milk and pots full of dahi or curd, butter and ghee. Yes, then she said, we will have plenty of milk. Then I will send the remaining pot of milk to my sister. But the husband opposed for this. He said, no, you can't. I am going to sell excess milk in the market and will earn money. I want to become rich, he said. Wife did not agree for that. She said, no, I am going to send it to my sister's place. Who will stop me? Like that she argued. At that time her husband became angry. Is that so? Shouted the husband. Watch this then. And he began to lift and smash the earthen pots one by one. His wife began to scream. Hearing to the commotion means loud noise. Okay? Hearing to the commotion, Gopal Bhatt entered the house. He was the neighbor. He entered the house. When he heard what had happened, he picked up a stout stick and began to swish it through the air and pound it on the floor. He started this action of swishing and pounding the stick on the floor. By observing this, they asked, what happened? Why you are doing like this? Then the Gopal Bhatt said, I have to drive away your greedy cows who have ruined my field of beans and cucumbers. But you don't have the field of beans and cucumbers, said the husband. At that moment, Gopal stopped wielding the stick and looked at them with raised eyebrows. Raised eyebrows means by question mark. At that time, the couple realized the mistake. Got this, students? You got the moral of the story? Yes, they were daydreaming about all this. So Gopal Band had a plan and he realized the mistakes to the couples. What is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is do not just daydream, but work hard to fulfill your dreams. Okay? Students, before going to solve the exercise, we will see how to make ghee from the milk. Okay? Here we will take milk. Then we have to boil this. After cooling, we add some drops of curd or some drops of lemon juice, or we can use vinegar for this. This is called as curdling the milk. Okay, then it coagulates and we get thick curd. Okay, and when the curd is churned or blended, we get butter. And when the butter is boiled on medium flame, we get ghee. This is the procedure of making ghee from the milk. Yes, dear students, your mother may be doing it. Please ask her about the procedure. Students, this is from your textbook. Here, begin with a word and write as many other words, related words or ideas that occur to you in the form of a concept chart or a concept map. You can choose a word from those given here, or you may choose any other suitable word. Here 4 words are given, that is school, home, food, medicine. Here students, we have to list the related words to these words. First we will go through the examples given in the textbook. See this, related words for school. It is given in the textbook. You can see this here: bag, notebooks, teacher, timetable, clock, recess, games, friends, all these related words of school. Because we can see these words related to school. Teacher is in the school, friends are in the school, bag, notebook, recess, everything that is related to the school. So these words are called related words for school. Okay, like this we will write related words for our home and for the medicine. See here, we have to write the related words to home. See dear students, home means we remember first mom, dad and our sister or brother. Correct? Then afterwards we remember lunch, dinner and TV and sleeping. Correct? That bathroom, kitchen, toilet, bedroom, all these words. Again here we will write clothes, and here kitchen is there, and freedom. So many words you can list here. Okay, like this. The only one condition is that the words you are going to list, they must have some relation to the given word. Okay. Now second one we will write medicine. Okay, here we will list the words: doctor, cure, drug, capsule, tonic, injection, tablet. We can write fear, okay, hospital, nurse, ward boy, medical shop, pill, fever, cough. So many words we can list. Got this? Shall we move further? Yes, now we will learn about the articles. This is the grammar part. Here we can see three articles, that is a, an and the. Okay, three articles are there in English. Now, how we have to use them, we'll see. First, we will see about a and an. See, dear children, here a and an we have to use for singulars. First, we will see use a when the noun begins with a consonant. You know that a, e, I, o, u. These five alphabets are called as vowels, and rest all alphabets are called as consonants. If the noun begins with the consonant sound, then we have to use a or a before that word. Okay, see here examples: a book, a car, a cat, a bag. Got this? The next, what is the use? Means how we use an. See here, we use an when the noun begins with a vowel sound. Okay, see the example, it will become clear for you. An apple, an umbrella, an elephant, an aeroplane. Got this, children? A, if the sound of the noun is consonant and we use an before the word or the noun which begins with a vowel sound. Okay, now here the use of the. Use the for the specific item. Okay, example, the cat in the tree. Here the cat means the specific cat. Okay, not any cat. The cat in the tree. The tree means that specific tree. Got that? The sun, we say the moon, the earth, like that. It should be specific and one. Okay, the book in the bag. Got, children? Like that we have to use the. Now this is again from the textbook. Choose a or an correctly and fill in the blanks. Here we will write first these. Okay, now we will write the answers. C dash earthen pot, E vowel. So we will write here an. Cow, a cow, consonant. Jar, consonant sound, a jar. Sister, again S, consonant. So a sister. A stout stick, a lovely field. See, dear students, here again it started with vowel, eyebrow. So we will write an for this. Now we will write plural to the singular forms. See, cow, cows, pot, pots, jar, jars, sister, sisters, market, markets. See, dear students, they have given us the singular words and we converted them into plural by adding s at the end. Got this? Here pots means many pots, markets, many markets. Okay? Some more are there. See, drop, drops. Stick, sticks. Corner, corners. Field, fields. And last one, cucumber, cucumbers. Got this? Same here also we added only s at the end of the word. Okay? I think the concept is clear for you about the singular and plural.
Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the new updated videos.